Got a little slurry here I mixed up with some 21% off lock, egg yolk, and some oil. Because I went into the loft tonight, I found this poor little guy frozen. He was pretty dead when I found him. Usually I can't save, I've never saved him actually at that point. But he seems to be responding. His eyes are reopening again and he's chirping. So, with any luck, I can get him through the night. And if I can get him through the night, I'm confident that I can save him. He's just got his, gotta keep fighting that little guy. There you go. Good. So, we'll see. Like I said, he's responding pretty well, so I think he'll make it.